So why do I want to talk to you about this product? Because, well, I'm 18 months postpartum. So as you can see, I've got sippy cups in here right now, not actual baby bottles. I don't pump every day. So for me to use this product, I'm using it more for the sippy cups, the pacifiers, and the random toys that can be washed in the machine. But looking back, the reason I'm gonna recommend this to you today is because I would have loved to have this when my babies were newborns. I would have loved to have this from the very beginning because it would have made things so much easier. I was constantly washing parts, and if I could have just loaded them into a machine and hit run, and then it would have been ready and done by the time I needed them again for another feeding, another pumping session, that would have reduced so much stress in my early postpartum days. I did eventually get a different bottle washer, and you know, I still think that that product is great, but if this had been out on the market by the time I had gotten around to getting myself a bottle washer, I would have just sprung for this. I think it's a must-have for anyone. If I could go back and tell early postpartum me, get this, that would have changed everything. That would have changed so much. If you're tired of standing at the sink with bottles and tiny pieces, let me show you how to use this machine and tell you why and how it is going to change everything. Welcome back, friends. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Momcozy Bottle Washer. This is actually the D8 bottle washer. I actually have had other bottle washers before, and this one is so much bigger. A lot more space to wash your bottles, pump parts, even toddler accessories. Like, I ran a wash cycle last night with a bunch of sippy cups and pacifiers, and it cleaned up great. So let's go through everything. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content and reviews just like this one. Now, at any point in the video, go ahead and check out the description because there will be a link directly to this as well as a discount for you. By the end of this, you will want one of your own. Ultimately, the D8 can deep clean 8 baby bottles, 8 full sets of baby bottles. Now let's talk about the baby bottles that have the most parts. I feel like Dr. Brown's is a very, very common baby bottle with maybe the most parts out there. I could be wrong, but that's what we used, and there were tons. You can put 8 sets of baby bottles in here and clean them all thoroughly. Not only clean them, but you can sterilize them, dry, and store. That is what I love about these machines. They are meant specifically for baby, toddler, all things children. Dishwashers aren't exactly made for baby related stuff. They're not made for breast pump parts. They're not made for baby bottles. And I've had pump parts and baby bottles go into the dishwasher before, and they've come out warped, yellow, stained, you name it. They can be very thorough and clean very well, but they are not meant to be safe for baby related items. So even though I have a dishwasher, I still love having a baby bottle washer. Now this has the patented tube wash technology. That means that it can precisely clean very small components when you put them into the machine. Tubes and valves as small as 5 millimeters in diameter. Don't put like your Spectra tubes in there. Those shouldn't get wet anyway. I'm talking other things. It's good at getting the hard to reach places that even your bottle brushes can't get. Even straw bottle tubes, medicine dispenser tubes, and nasal aspirator tubes. If you're using those, especially those manual ones, you still gotta clean them. Something else it has, the patented Pump 360 rotational spray. So if we take a closer look, it has these little areas that water can spray out of, and it will rotate in a circle as it's cleaning. And this is the industry first smart cleaning bottle washer. That means that it is self-cleaning, and it is like the first in the industry to be able to do this. So when I say this is top of the market, this is top of the market. It cleans itself. All of this, everything inside the main compartment, but then more that you can't even see. It'll cover the internal water lines in the chamber. It will break down limescale. There's also milk residue that even though we're cleaning it off the bottles, it can still remain in different parts of the machine. And why is this important? Because internal hygiene can extend the life of your product. That means it's going to last longer than your standard bottle washers that have already been on the market that you might already have at home. Maybe it's time to upgrade, and if you do, highly recommend going with this one. Now, I may have mentioned this already, but I've had bottle washers in the past. They've always opened from the top only. You can only access it through one direction. This you can access through 1, 2, 3, 4 different sides. That makes it a lot more accessible to reach in and get what you need. So let's talk about how to operate. Now, these have already been washed. If we were going to turn this on, we just hold it down. We have wash mode. steam, drying, storage, and then there is the clean and lighting function. So the clean is going to be on its own. If you want to go back to wash mode, that's completely separate. Now let's say I don't even want to wash them. I just want to go straight into sterilizing. I can take off the wash mode and go straight into steam. And then just hold down the power button to turn it off. This is a very different design than the other bottle washers that you've probably seen on the market at this point. It's a completely different look. We take this part, lift it up. Let's fill this up. You will see there is a line here at the bottom for the bare minimum amount of water that you need for steaming or sterilizing. Then there is also a line here that is a minimum amount of water that you need for the washing feature plus sterilizing, and there is a max line. I just try to fill it up between these two lines here at the top, and then I know I'm set. There it is. And now you've got your water. There is also a little tube, as you can see right here. This just needs to go to your sink. That is how you are going to drain all of this water. I've always had this like right next to my sink, right above my dishwasher, wherever it works for you. There is also a little cord to plug it into an outlet, and this plugs into the back. Now don't worry, it will come with a manual just like this one, so if you have specific questions and you need a reference, you can always look in here. These can actually be swapped out. So if we take these ones out of the corners, you can always put them in right here, or I guess you could technically put them also right here. These are meant to hold your bottles, while these are meant to hold nipples. But for right now, we're actually going to take out all of these pieces, including this one. But we will be putting that back. Now these right here are your Pump 360 rotational spray pieces. These go in these very 4 spots. Don't put them on the corners because they will not fit. Just put them on the sides. And this is where you can put your pump parts. Now, actually, you can maneuver this a little bit more, so if you want to fit more parts in, you probably could. After you have your pump parts placed on the bottom, go ahead and add your top rack in. Now go ahead and take like your little pieces and add them right there. Now, because I have some more room, I'm just gonna add some pacifiers in that I know could definitely be cleaned and sterilized. And now taking a look at everything we've got going on here, I know there's so much more room. I could probably add another set of pump parts if I needed to. But for right now, this is all I have to clean. So we're just gonna run a quick cycle and see how they turn out. Hold down the power button, select wash mode, and then if you don't want any certain settings, you can always take them off. Like if I don't want my light, I don't have to have it. If I don't want to go through the sterilizing, then we don't have to run that. But I'm gonna run everything, and when you're ready, just hit start. As it's gearing up, you will see that it's gonna take whatever it needs for water for the current cycle, and then it will get started. Now we have just a few minutes left of the steam cycle. I don't know if you can see all of that steam coming out, but it will escape out of the top. Now, while it's not being used, I think it's fine to store it under the cabinets, but definitely pull it out before you run a full cycle. Now, what you just heard was the draining of any remaining water, and then it just started the dry cycle. So this is an hour. Now, if you need your parts a little bit sooner and you can't wait for the dry cycle to stop, just be prepared. It's going to be pretty hot, but you can technically stop it early and just dry it yourself. So the wash cycle is officially done, and we have just finished drying. So it's actually now in storage mode, and you can see here it's telling me that the lid is not on properly. So if you're ever wondering if the water is going to leak, trust me, it won't run unless this is actually secure. So I'm just going to stop this and turn it off. So now that this is dry, I'm gonna run my next cycle. Now I'm gonna actually show you how you can load some other pump parts. This is the M9. You can actually put this directly over top the Pump 360 rotational spray, and it's gonna get everything. And this is exactly what I mean when I say you can wash 2 sets of pump parts at the exact same time. So you could put 2 sets of these, or you could do 1 set of the M9 and 1 set of the V1 Pro, or another Momcozy pump for that matter. When you want to wash baby bottles, take out the 360 rotational sprays and put your bottle holders back in. You can just click them right back in. And again, these are meant for nipples. So if you have any that you wanted to wash here on the bottom rack, go ahead and put those in wherever you need. I'm gonna do a full load of 8 baby bottles and see how well they fit. Now these are dirty, they have some milk left over in them. And I got different sizes so you can see exactly how well each size might fit. And then we'll just add our top rack back in. So I've got 8 little spots here for nipples. It's honestly just easier to put these over the nipples. They will get clean no matter what. Next, we are going to fit these in wherever there is room. So now that I have these added in, I'm gonna run a brand new cycle. This really is filled to the max. Oh, and here's my detergent tablet. Now there we have it, folks. This is the Momcozy Bottle Washer D8. It is insane. It's so good. Cannot recommend it to you enough. Again, if I could go back to the beginning days and tell myself that I need this, I would, because it would have changed so much for me. Not only was I able to wash my toddler's sippy cups, pacifiers, things like that, but I was also able to wash my parts for 2 different pumps at the same time. This is 8 full Dr. Brown's bottles, and they fit in easily. It's amazing. Wish I would have had it before, but you live and you learn, so learn from me. Now, before we finish up here today, I have one more thing to show you. Here are the descaling tablets that will come in your box. They are quite a bit larger than the detergent tablets, so you don't need to do it quite as often. Remember these? You don't have to include these when you do the self-cleaning, but I feel like, why not? If everything needs to be cleaned, I might as well just put the extra features and parts in. So I'm just gonna put these in, and here is 1 tablet. So this is going to be different than your normal wash cycle, of course. We're gonna click the cleaning cycle. It's only gonna take half an hour to do a full self-cleaning cycle. So just hit start and you're good to go. Now, if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and if you need me, you can find me in any one of my videos on my channel. But that's all I've got for you guys tonight. See you later.